This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you with a little quick video update. Let's see, I got a stash in today in the mail. Let's see, I got this from Internet Hobbies. If y'all ain't never checked out Internet Hobbies, go check them out. Just called Internet Hobbies. They pretty much get everything in, and the guy that owns it, man, he's been a model builder since the 60s, so he gets all the good stuff. So the first one I got is the 007 1974 Galaxy Police Car. There's the side of the box art. You can see the decals and the movie with Sean Connery. Let's see what the options are on the side of it here. There you go, light bar, the big old 429 motor, steelies, all the accessories. Yeah, I seen the HPI guy build this kit, and he did an excellent kit. This thing's molded in a kind of a metallic blue, light metallic blue color, or medium metallic. I don't know. It's pretty neat. Y'all go check that out. But that's another one for the stash. And then I had to have another one of these. I already got one in the stash, but I went ahead and bought me another one. And the reason being, I didn't realize when I bought it the first time, until I got it in, that you can build this car two different race liveries on it. And so I want to build both versions, so that's the reason why I bought that. And I think it comes with like 3 different engine options as far as what you can do to the engine. Not see 3 separate engines, but 3 separate engine options. You can see right there. You got the big old blown injection stacks, and then you got the smaller injection stacks, and then you got the dual carb setup right there. So I had to have another one of these. And then the piece de la resistance is this one right here, the Tamaya Ford Mustang GT4. Beautiful kit. Well, probably one of the best kits that's come out in a long time. And I'm going to build it just like this right here on the box, that gray. Old Russell over at Russell Model Cars, he's molded me up some engine parts so I can open the hood on it and do the detailed engine. And if y'all haven't checked his out, oh my God, Russell, he built a P-51 themed Mustang. That's probably the best Mustang I've ever seen. That dude is so talented. I'm not as talented as old Russell, but I'll just make it look like the box art. Russell, man, he plumbed the whole inside of his. Of course, the paint scheme was freaking off the hook. That's the best paint scheme I'd ever seen before in my life. And so y'all go check out Russell Model Cars. But he did this, and it was awesome. But I thought I'd show y'all what I got in my stash. And then also, Keith, Raymond, this is for you, buddy. He's building one of these right here, and I told him, I said, yeah, I built one of them probably about 30, 31, 32 years ago. It's been a long time. I said I didn't do a very good job. That's when I was first kind of getting back into models. From being a kid, I used to do them. Of course, as a kid, I didn't do a good job. So here it is, Keith. It's not a very good model, as you can tell. I've held on to it for all these years. I don't know why, but I have. I've always liked these cars, but Keith is building the Italy kit, which this is the ESCI kit, which are the exact same molds, same kit, just different boxes. Of course, ESCI ain't around no more. Of course, Italy and other people own their molds, so I think Revella Germany might own some of the molds too. But you can see I didn't even paint this car. It's still the white plastic that it come in. Crappy job around the windows. You can see that seat right there. I didn't even put the seat all the way back. You can see that headrest in there. I don't know if you can see that really. It's way back there, and look how far up that seat is. I'm a dummy. The thing's so old it's starting to turn yellow. That white plastic is just starting to turn yellow. Has engine detail. It's very crappy engine detail, but it has engine detail. Very simple kit, but I guess I made it hard back then to do. I didn't even paint it all the way. You can see like the valve covers on the engine there. I didn't even paint them. They're still white. The wheel backs are still white. It's just a crappy little build, but it's a quick build, I guess. I'd like to do it over again. You can look at this. You can see how crappy. Look at the glue all over the front lights. Man, the decals are just terrible. Of course, and they were terrible when I put them on. And they're terrible. They're coming apart now. Look at the glue all over this thing. There you go, Keith. I thought I'd show it to you. You wanted to see it? Here it is. Nothing spectacular. I know you're going to blow it out of the water. You'll do a hell of a lot better job than I did. That thing will get shoved back into the case where it's been for years. Alright guys, I was going to show you here. Here's all my shop cards from everybody that I've gotten. And everybody that's given me a shop card, I will have yours in the mail. I've already got them filled out, except for Brian, Mr. BG. I'm going to need you to text me your address again. I could not find it for nothing. So I need that, or I can text you one. And Big Charlie, I'm either going to have to email you or you can email me. I couldn't find your envelope either with your address on it. Everybody else, you know, I could, but y'all's, for some reason, I couldn't. But there's my shop cards. They'll be going out probably next week, and then y'all too, I'll get a hold of y'all. And then anybody else that wants a shop card, I'll leave my email in the bottom. Y'all email me and I'll get you out a shop card. Well, looking for all that stuff, look what I found right here. I found a picture of me when I was a kid building models. Look at that, sitting on my mom's table. She's probably about ready to whoop my butt for sitting on the table. My grandma bought me those for my birthday. I can't remember how long ago that's been. From the looks of the models, that'd be early 81, somewhere around there. I don't know, it's 80s. That blue car, which is a Revell 53, 54 Chevy, and it's got the box art from Grease too. Of course, the car was never in Grease too, but I still got that model to this day up there. Now the Corvette, no, it's long gone. But I thought I'd show you all that. I thought it was pretty neat. I found that. So, if you like what I'm doing, wait a minute, tell you what, I got something to say too. Everybody's doing this 48-hour group build. I wish I could be in that with y'all. A lot of y'all know, and some of you probably don't, but my shifts rotate. I work 12-hour shifts. And I rotate every other weekend, and this is my weekend to work. So, unfortunately, I can't get in on Craig's Mutt Modeler, the 48-hour group build. Believe me, I want to, but just ain't gonna happen this year. Maybe next year, but I will be watching and seeing what all y'all's gotten done. Believe me, I will get in on it. But where I work an hour away from where I live, so you got an hour to work, 12 and a half hours at work, and an hour at home. There's no time for me to build one. So, but I commend all you guys that are. I wish I could. So, that being said, I won't be in on the 48-hour group build. I wish I could. But, so if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.